Hey guys, how you doing? We're back at it again in San Jose, California. We're still on the same job. We're just doing our portion of the drill and fill right here. As you can see, we have an 1.5 inch bit right here so that we can inject the walls to fill the insulation up with this guy in here. Typically when you get houses that's built in 1960s, there's no insulation in the walls, so the customer wanted to help with the heating and cooling controlling by putting insulation into the walls. Like I said, when it's cold, it helps from the wall sweating and building up mold and moisture and stuff like that, and moisture problems to where you gotta rip it off and take care of it. Purpose of the video: if you run into this problem, house is built in the 1960s and it's needing insulation in the walls, or it's really getting cold or hot, you might want to just check in and make sure your walls have insulation before you do anything crazy to the extreme. So click in the link below, like us, and share, subscribe. You guys have a good day. Okay. Cut it off. Drill up there.